In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use MapView on Monday.com step by step. If you manage field teams, client locations, deliveries, real estate listings, or any project that involves physical addresses, MapView can completely transform the way you visualize your work. Instead of looking at rows and columns, you'll see everything plotted clearly on a map. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set it up properly and start using it right away. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Monday.com guides just like this. Let's get started. The first thing you need to know is that MapView only works if your board has a location column. Without a location column, the MapView option won't function properly. So step 1 is adding that column to your board. Open the board where you want to use MapView. Once you're inside your board, scroll all the way to the right of your existing columns. At the far end, you'll see a button that says Plus Add Column. Go ahead and click on Plus Add Column. A menu will appear showing different column types. In the search bar, type Location. When you see the Location column option appear, click Add. That's it. You've now added a location column to your board. This column is where you'll enter addresses or coordinates for each item you want displayed on the map. Now that the location column is in place, step 2 is entering your location data for each item. Click on any empty cell under the location column. You can now type in a full address, for example, 123 Main Street, Dallas, TX. As you type, Monday.com will automatically show address suggestions. Select the correct suggestion from the drop-down list. When you choose it, Monday.com automatically geocodes the address, meaning it converts that address into map coordinates behind the scenes. This is what allows it to display correctly on the map later. Repeat this process for every item that you want to appear in MapView. You can add client offices, job sites, event venues, property addresses, delivery points, or any other physical location relevant to your workflow. The more accurate your addresses are, the more accurate your map will be. If you have multiple items, just go down the column and enter a location for each one. Once you've added all your location data, you're ready for step 3, which is adding the actual map view to your board. At the top of your board, you'll see your current views listed, such as main table or other views you've created. Look for the button that says Plus Add View and click it. A panel will open showing all available view types. You can either scroll through the list or use the search bar and type Map. When you see Map View, click on it. Immediately, Monday.com will generate a full-screen interactive map. You'll now see pins placed on the map for every item where you entered a location. Each pin represents one row from your board. You can click on any pin to see more details about that item, including its name and other connected information. This makes it incredibly easy to visualize workload distribution, plan routes, identify geographic clusters, or simply understand where your projects are located. If you don't see any pins, double-check that your location column is filled in correctly and that valid addresses were selected from the suggestions. From here, you can use MapView to zoom in and out, move around the map, and analyze your data geographically. It's especially powerful for teams managing field operations, sales territories, installations, or service calls. And that's how you use MapView on Monday.com. Add a location column, enter accurate address data, then add the MapView to visualize everything instantly. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Monday.com tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.